Hello everyone, my name is Hemant Kalwani and I'm a Google Merchant Center and a Google Ads expert. Today we will talk about the Google Merchant Center and its suspension and its policies. So Google Merchant Center is a platform from where you connect your Google Ads account and your website to run the Google Shopping ads. If you have a Google Ads account and you want to run the Google Shopping ads, maybe the standard ads or the PMAX campaigns, you need to set up a Google Merchant Center account. So once you set up a Google Merchant Center account, you need to connect your Shopify store, WooCommerce store, or the custom e-commerce website with Merchant Center. So when you connect your Shopify website or the WooCommerce website with Merchant Center, sometimes it gets suspended due to the policy violation. Now, there are a lot of policies which we will discuss about in this particular video and how to reinstate your account post suspension from those policies. We will discuss about that. So jump into my screen. I will tell the policies first and then how to, reinstate your account. So this is the official page of the policies of the Google Merchant Center. We will go one by one and we will discuss about all the policies. So these are the shopping ads policies. The first policy is prohibited content, the counterfeit goods. The second policy is dangerous products. The third policy is product that enable dishonest behavior. The fourth is inappropriate content. The other policy is unsupported shopping ads content. The other policies are prohibited practices such as abuse of the ad network, irresponsible data collection and use, misrepresentation. This is the most common, error which we get, and I have seen in a lot of merchant center accounts. So we will discuss about this as well. Restricted content, adult-oriented content, alcoholic beverages, copyrighted content, gambling-related content, healthcare-related content, political content, trademarks, high-fat, sugar, salt, food and beverage. The next policies are editorial and technical requirements, editorial and professional requirements. So these are few policies which we should not violate in order to run the shopping ads on Google Ads through the Merchant Center, because when your Merchant Center account is suspended, eventually if it is linked to your Google Ads account, the Google Ads account is also getting suspended. And if your business profile is also linked, it also causes the errors. And if it is suspended and you appeal it, it gives you error. So everything needs to be synced. So we have to ensure that, we do not have any policy violations within our website, on Google Ads, on Google My Business profile, and on the Google Merchant Center. So I will show you the misrepresentation policy for one of our client first. Let's jump into the next screen. So in this video, we will talk about one of the policy violation, which is misrepresentation. So if you will see, it comes due to the transparency about, like, you need to provide the transparency about your business identity, business model, policies, and how your customers can interact with you. Promote your online reputation by showing reviews or highlighting any badges or seals of approval. Use a professional design for your online store that includes an SSL certificate. Provide information in the business information settings in your merchant center. Follow SEO guidelines, improve your eligibility for seller ratings, and match your product data in your merchant center with your online store. So initially, when this violation came, it was not showing any reason why it rejected. Now, after making the changes, it is showing us that due to the stock availability and inventory, it is giving an error. And now in the recent, we have got an email of the approval. I will show you that as well. So let's jump into the best practices which we need to implement in our website to avoid these kind of errors. First thing first, you will need to add your phone number. You need to add the about us policy, terms and conditions, privacy policy, shipping policy, refund and return policy, contact us. Everything, whatever you mention in your website, like the about us, privacy policy, shipping policy, return refund policy, contact us, the business address, the business phone number, the business email ID, ABN number if you are in Australia, or like respective number like GST in India or any other country. your hours of operations, everything has to be there in the footer. Your product should not contain any brand logo or the any promotional overlay text. Google also suggested it should not have here. Your title length should not exceed 150 characters. Your description should be like this in a bulleted point and should not exceed 200 characters. Also, it should not contain any emojis. On the checkout page, all the information should be intact. Your card details, shipping policy, shipping method, how much you are charging the customer, everything should be intact. If you have everything up to date in your website, then you can request for the review. So make sure that before appealing the policy violation on the Google Merchant Center, you need to check everything should be correct within your website. You should not create a new account, because if you do not fix the existing website's issue, again it will be rejected. So the best practice is to find out the issues, make sure that you audit your website properly, you add all the contact details, hours of operations, all the policy links, the titles, description, images should be in the high quality. So if you have everything there, then 100% your policy violation will be reinstated and your account will be reinstated. If you face any kind of issues, irrespective of the country, globally, I'm an expert with 10 plus years of experience. You can just message me, call me. I am one step away. Thank you very much.